I've got the January Allure Beauty Box. So if you want to see what's in store for January, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe is in the other room. Actually, she's going to be joining me soon for a snack crate box. So excited to open up that. And Bandit, well, you know, he goes here and there. The door's open. He can come in if he wants. Same with Dexter. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, we do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collaborations. We have some giveaways. So if you're into that kind of thing, it's totally free to subscribe. Maybe think about doing that. All right, so Allure. This is a monthly beauty box. You get a mixture of full size and samples. There is sometimes choice. I think there was choice for this month, but I don't ever remember. We'll look when we get in there. The items are chosen by the editors of Allure magazine, and so you're getting things that they feel are really on trend, that they're really enjoying. I will say this has been a consistently good box, sometimes even a great box. I've gotten to really try a lot of different brands that I would not have been able to try otherwise for a low purchase point. So I don't know, I buy it annually. I heard that it has gone up, but my annual subscription is not up yet. But I believe it's gone up. I heard somebody say to $29, but I am not sure. I will try to check on that and put it in one of these corners. Now, that being said, you are definitely going to get your money's back, whether it is $21 or $29. You're definitely going to get your money out of this. You have a little flyer in here that tells you about the different products. And there's your sneak peek. Something very intriguing on the top there. But I am seeing Obagi, very pricey brand. I'm seeing Mitchell and Peach, also a great Korean brand, K Beauty brand. I believe it's K Beauty brand. I'm thinking of Peach and Lily, but I have had other things by Mitchell and Peach, really enjoyed it. I'm seeing Tarte. This was, I believe, the choice item. So I'm seeing some really great brands in there. And their theme this month is Routine Refresh. So we're going to start off with the choice item, and that is the Tarte Contour. And you could have chosen Cool Bronze, Medium Cool Bronze, Warm Bronze, and Deep Bronze. And I chose Cool Bronze. So there is what it looks like. It has one of these little dabbers. Now theirs you don't have to turn. So sometimes you have to turn this to turn it on. Theirs you do not. And let's take a look at this. Usually I'll go into Ulta or Sephora, depending upon, we only have a Kohl's Sephora, so it's small, but some brands I can't always find at Ulta, and vice versa. So I'll usually go into one of those two stores and try on the different shades, but I didn't do that this time. I just went with the lighter shade, figuring that would be the best for my skin tone. Oh, you do have to turn this. Okay, in the past I've not had to turn this, but you do have to turn it. Now, if you feel like, I would close this immediately and then go and dab again, but if you feel like, you know, I don't like how this kind of has this on there, you can clean that. Just make sure it's closed first. So I have it dark or light. So this one was a little more buffed in, and this one is a little bit more product, just to show you kind of how you can build it up or keep it nice and light. I usually go down to this one, to the lighter one. And it is $36. So already you've paid for your box. So it's, the way I look at it is this. If I walked into Ulta or Sephora and they said, buy this on sale, get the rest of this free, would it be worth it? And I'm going to say absolutely. And I don't even know what all these other things are other than seeing the Obagi name. But that would be buying this on sale and getting everything else for free. Now you could also use this as a contour, not just a bronzer. Oh, it's a contour. All right, it's a contour. I was reading the deep bronze. So, but you could also use it as a bronzer. So think about like the shade you want and how you want to use that. Next, we have Obagi, and this is Obagi Medical. It's their Hydrate Facial Moisturizer. This is a full size at 1.7 ounces. It is said to have a lightweight texture. Here is how this looks. It's got a little pump action right there. It says it has an ingredient list jam-packed with nourishing butters such as shea and mango, hydrating avocado oil, and moisture-locking glycerin. And it's lightweight like yogurt. So this size right here is $65. So again, I mean, that's just free after your on sale Tarte Pro product. All right, next by Mitchell and Peach is their English Leaf Body Souffle. And it says English Grower, so I'm going to guess that that is the scent. It's a light moisturizer to soothe the skin. This is made in England. This is 2.1 fluid ounces, and this size right here retails for $28. Now this is full body moisturizer, so I would say this is probably a travel size, but it's a travel size valued at $28. It has refreshing scent, citrus, coriander, and basil. And it says it layers nicely under your favorite fragrances. All right, so next is that product I was just intrigued by. This is by Blake Brown, and this is their Fundamental Nourishing Mask. Now, I am not familiar with this company. It looks fancy. This has got to be a full size. Wild Nectar Santal, and it has notes of bergamot, fig, cardamom, and sandalwood. And you're going to just leave this on for 2 to 5 minutes. So perfect, you know, put it in your hair, finish all your washing, rinse it out. All right. Oh, this is a Blake Lively brand. Okay, see, I did not know any of that. It says that your usual conditioner, oh, okay, it says this conditioner is chock full of glycerin and sunflower seed extract to deeply hydrate and soften hair. Its cozy cardamom and cedarwood scent is worth the switch alone from your regular conditioner. And it's a butter-like cream. You're going to start mid-length, working down, leaving it on the ends. So you're not going to, you want to make sure you don't get it up in your scalp. And this is a $20 value. So not as pricey as I thought it was. Definitely swingable if you love it. Next, we're going to start on our first sample size. So we had 3 full size, one that I would definitely categorize as a travel size, although I think they're considering it a full size, but for a body lotion, I think that would be more travel size to me. And this is by Paul Mitchell, and it is the Super Skinny Serum, and this is for your hair, and it's going to treat flyaways, frizz, damage, and it has smoothing, silicones, and sweet notes of apples and berries. Now that's interesting because a lot of times in hair care you hear that you want it to be silicone free, and this has silicones in it. So that's interesting. Maybe it's just the shampoo and conditioner we don't want silicones in. I'm not sure. It says it's going to give you a sleek, shiny finish. The full size of this, which is 5.1 ounces, is $28.50. This is 0.85 fluid ounces. And then last in here, we have a set of 3 Levitate Beauty Cool and Hydrate Hydrogel Under Eye Masks formulated with collagen, ginseng, and pearl extract. So we're going to have 3 treatments in there. And it says you can fake a night's sleep with these. They're extra large and hydrating patches. And it's got ginseng root and glycerin and a brightening pearl extract to give tired, puffy under eyes a run for their money. You're going to keep them on for 15 minutes. And this retails for $4 for this size. All right, so even if this has gone up to $29 or let's say $30, you have your 2 sample size products. All right, Paul Mitchell and this Levitate. You have your travel size Mitchell and Peach. And then you have your full size conditioner, full size Obagi, and full size Tarte Contour. So I think that that's a pretty good bargain. Like, I feel like that is definitely value driven right there. But tell me your thoughts. What would be your favorite product to get? Now, you all know that I am a hair care fanatic, so I am really excited to try this. And I like that it's 2 to 5 minutes because I can wash my hair, put this in, and then wash my face, wash my body, come back, and then rinse this out after I've gotten all the other steps done. So I really, really like that in a leave-in conditioner, or not a leave-in, but a nourishing conditioner. All right, but tell me in the comments down below, and tell me how your New Year's going. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.